Hi guys, welcome back to BK's Creations. Today's video is going to be something very short but very helpful. Today I've been actually working on my bulletin board for those virtual classrooms to take place on Tuesday. I know a lot of us don't have a lot of space at home. I don't either. What I did, I found a little spot in my bedroom. Yes, in my bedroom. So let me take you on a little tour of my creation. Okay, everyone, this is the bulletin board I just finished making a couple of minutes ago. And yes, this is in my bedroom. Believe it or not, the only three things that I purchased from this bulletin board were the wallpaper, the calendar, and the numbers on the calendar. But everything else I had here at home. I have a little storage room where I keep my stuff, and I was able to put all this together. Okay, now let me give you a little tour of my bulletin board. Now I'm using the clear pockets, one for the theme, and I'm using these couple clear pockets for the letters of the week. Then we have the days of the week, the breathing strategies on the bottom. Then in the middle we have the calendar. And like I mentioned before, the calendar and the numbers came from Lakeshore Teachers Supply store. I did not have to laminate the calendar. The calendar already came laminated like that, okay? Now the month. What I did, I went into my computer and I typed free clip art and typed September, and I printed this out from the free clip art. The same thing with 2020. I typed 2020 and I printed this out. For my commitment poster, I had my commitment poster for a couple of years now. It's still good. It's my daughter right there. So this is my commitment poster. Let's go back here to the left. That's my vocabulary poster. My morning message, my dry erase markers, my dry erase board, my stool, my little chair, ready for Tuesday. I hope you guys liked the video. And then I hope it gave you more ideas on what to have on your bulletin board. Okay? If you guys have any more ideas on what is it that you would like to see on my videos, please drop your comments below and keep watching. I have more stuff coming soon. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.